Hi everyone, welcome back to METV. So I am going to make a real quick video today. I promised you that I was going to share some of the YouTube channels that I'm obsessed with. These are the ones that have most helped me either with personal growth or business growth. But before I do that, I just want to welcome you if you're new. And if you're not, then you probably know that in February, I'm posting one new video every day with a tip to help you with your home-based or network marketing business. So here's some of my latest videos. I have my January planner. I use the Heidi Swap planner. This one is how I use my planner for business. The next one is my new time saver, Growth Collaborative. You guys, I'm not a subscription person. I'm not a order to my home. I like going to the brick and mortar store and buying my stuff. But in 2019, I kind of analyzed my time and what I wanted to accomplish, what I hadn't accomplished. And I realized that one of the things I need to do is let go. I need to let go of some of the responsibilities, of the smaller stuff. And this right here, oh my gosh, I just love it. So I had to share it with you guys. I listed a referral code there for you guys to use, and you can get a gift set using Growth Collaborative. You can learn a little bit more by watching that video. Oh my gosh, this is one that you want to watch. A great tool to communicate with your team and your customers. It's called Slide Broadcast, and I give you guys a super quick tutorial on how to use it. I included a referral code in the description bar of that video as well for you to use, and you get 100 free phone calls. And here's one that's coming up. You're not going to want to miss this one. 5 words that will help you sell more and recruit easier. All right, so let's get right to it. I want to share with you one channel that I'm obsessed with. And here it is. It's called Master Your Charisma. So he puts out a new video every week. You know he's good. He's got over 2 million subscribers. I can't wait till METV gets there. You know how you get there? By sharing my videos. Share them with your friends, your family, and ask them to subscribe as well. All right, so this channel is about a lot of personal growth, a lot of self-analysis, a lot of communication education, and a lot of body language education, which obviously falls under communication. So let me give you an idea of what some of his videos are, just so that you can see. Okay, so here's some that I found super interesting. 3 mindsets that will change your life. 6 physiological tricks to make people like you. You guys, if you are in sales, this is the type of videos that you want to learn from. I've learned a lot. Here's one, and I don't know what I learned from here, but oh my gosh, was it interesting. Why Zuckerberg seems evil. Oh my gosh, for real. Here's a few more that I think you will really like. 7 psychological tricks to get respect immediately. How to sell anything. How to handle toxic people. We could all use a little bit of that one. And 6 mindsets that will make you magnetic. So I think you should subscribe to his channel for sure. And then let me know in the comments what video of his you enjoyed the most. Come back to this video and let me know. I want to hear from you. Also, in the comments, I want to hear from you. Let me know what video topic you would like me to cover that you think would be helpful in your business. All right, you guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.